Alright, so today is Tuesday, December 23rd, 2014, a couple days before Christmas, and we have an amazing stock here called NQ Mobile, or with the ticker symbol of NQ. I didn't really trade this, and I didn't buy too many shares of it because I was doing other things, and I woke up late, around 11 o'clock. But you had three chances of actually getting to this stock today, three chances that I would have entered in, at least. But let's go ahead and check out the after hours. You guys can see how but before today's trading day, it was at a low at 3.4, jumped to around 4.11, and then it had a very nice day today. Again, I'll go ahead and talk about where I started trading this in a little bit, but let's go ahead and look at the three entry points. Now, you had one in the very beginning of the day. You guys can see how it dips down. So this was your first area to buy, or you can even sell in the first area. Same thing with the second place you could have bought, which was around $4 a share. You could have bought around here. And you could have sold up here, or you could have held again all the way throughout the day. And the third area, which was pretty much where I bought, I had other indicators up, obviously, but I'm gonna keep my drawings for now. But pretty much in this area, what I did was buy. So I have pretty much 4 to 5 main trend lines here that I actually would use to buy. So the very lowest one was the buy signal. That not the buy signal, but the signal to pay more attention to the stock, so I can buy it. So you guys can see how it's going down. I was like, this is where my line is going to go, and it does. I extended it multiple times. I deleted the drawings, and yeah, but so it could be one full one at the time. So it came down, and once it reached the very first line, I started looking closer at the stock. It got to the second line. It had a resistance line above it. That resistance line made the stock go down a little bit again, and you had another chance to buy it if you are pay more attention to the stock if you haven't. And then once it crossed the third line, I actually bought the stock at around $4.40. And then it came down and didn't do too much for a little bit. And then eventually it started peaking above all these lines that I have here. And it reached a high of 477, but I sold it at 460, I believe. Yeah, 462. I made around $1,100. Didn't buy too many shares again. I should have bought more. Bad move from me. But sometimes the less amount of shares are actually better. Again, I didn't buy too many shares just because I didn't want to risk it that much. And eventually, I'm going to be actually shorting the stock. I'll probably do this shorting live for you guys. Live trading session and upload it as soon as I can. But you guys can see this is a very easy trade. You had a couple of dips. Again, you had your first buy signal was here. I'll go ahead and make a line. Your second buy signal here. Then your third buy not signal, but area was here. So you had 3 places you could have really bought. And if you missed out on all of them, I'm very sorry for you guys. But you should follow me on Twitter so you can actually get these alerts to actually buy their stocks themselves. And I'll be shorting these again. Like I said, I'll shorting these and profiting hopefully more. I also made a profit lead today. I'm just going to stick with the free plan for now. I'll buy my paid version a little bit later. But you guys are able to see that I only made $1,100 in a couple of hours. Let's check exactly. 11. Yeah, for a couple of hours I had this and $1,100, which is pretty good. I mean, I wish I've actually woken up earlier, which I didn't. But yeah, there's other stocks I did trade or had on my real account. At least this is just my simulated account. Tesla is actually down for the day, but for the past couple of days, you guys can see. I gotta go back out. You guys can see this is where I bought it at, and the whole line is there just because it is. But for the past couple of months, it has actually been going down, and now it has picked up and it's going up. I was up, I believe. I don't know. I didn't buy that many shares, but I was up a couple $1,000s, which I'm okay for. I actually sold all my positions on my real account, but on my fake account, I am not gonna buy this ever. It's just a fake account, unless I do something like starting off with a low amount of money and then trying to get it to like $500,000. I should actually do that series now. I'm thinking of it. Am I still recording? Okay, good. 4 minutes. Try to keep this under 7 minutes. But yeah, that's it. I think my next video is gonna be penny stocks and how you can find good pump and dumps to trade. or short, I would say. I can't talk. Or penny stock promoters. I don't know what I'm going to be doing. But hopefully I can record a video and think of what I want to do really quick.